Hi, this is number 10 for similar figures and circles review. Anytime I have pictures that look like this, I know it's going to deal with similar figures, so I'm going to find corresponding sides. I know that this is the base of one triangle and this is the base of the other, so they correspond or match or go together. And here's the height and the other height. Looking at my answer choices, it wants to know which statement is true. But before I even start looking at my choices, I want to set up my proportion. I'm going to do small triangle as one label for this first ratio, and I'll do large triangle for the second ratio. And also, if you're using color coding, the other labels could be like pink and yellow. I'm going to go ahead and just call it base and height. So the small triangle's base is 2.4, and the small triangle height is unknown. For the large triangle, the base is 3, and the large triangle height is 5. It does not ask me to solve, but when it wants to know which proportion would work, you want to look for your cross products, especially the one that's across from your x. So right now I have 3 and x as cross products, so I would want to have the same exact thing in my answer choices. Here I have 5 and x. That's not going to work. Here I have x and 5. Oh yeah, not going to work. Here I have 3 and x, so that might work. And x and 2.4, also not going to work. The other thing you want to notice is that most of the time they're not going to give you the exact proportion that you created. And if I look, my ratios are flip-flopped. They put the 5 and the 3 first, but they also flip-flopped the base and height. They decided to do height on top, base on bottom, and then this information is from your large, and this one is from your small. So my correct answer for a proportion that works out is C.